Brayden, look at the Tigers. What are the Tigers gonna do? There they go. Tigers win, Brayden. Yay! Yay! Joe Nathan redeemed himself. He was pitching at your first game. And they lost. But now, maybe they'll win the World Series for Brayden's first birthday. Yay! Four times in a row. That's cool. Are they gonna win? Are they gonna win? Oh, you got your ball? Yay! Look at Emmett. Emmett says yay!